Well, hello. I'd like to introduce you to my all new Pioneer S9 NTSC Laserdisc player I just imported from Japan. It seems to have like a problem to lift the carriage that houses the laser inside here. What I mean is, the laser disc is turned on. I've removed the tray so that you can see better. We'll make it think the tray is here. Then the tray lifts up, but not to its complete position. I always have to lift it up just 1 millimeter. Let me show you again. I was too slow. Lift 1 millimeter. There it is at final position. I don't know where to lubricate that. Wherever I look, I think the only part that could lift the housing, let me show you, would be inside of this black plastic box. So really it could be difficult